So we're down here in Herne in southeast London. This is another project we started yesterday. So what we're doing on this project is we're going to be removing all of the paint from all the brickwork on the front of the property. Just had a colour wash put on the brickwork in the past. So as you can see, they started cutting out all of the mortar yesterday. So getting all this mortar cut out, it's all been repointing a really hard sand and cement. So it's quite a challenging cut out yesterday. So we're going to be getting the rest of this pointing out, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks, obviously with matching imperial bricks. We've got a nice London stock brick underneath this colour wash to work with. Going to be repointing all the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Show you upstairs. As you can see, lads made good progress yesterday, cutting out all of the pointing, so getting all any old fixings out the brickwork, getting all these bad bricks replaced. Lads will start cleaning the brickwork today. Got quite a bit of stonework to do on here as well, so I'll show you that downstairs in a minute. So far so good. So downstairs, show you a bit of the stonework that we've got to work with. So we'll square up all of the window sills, get all this loose flaky paint off all of the window sills, square all of that up. As you can see on the bay, on the stonework, lost a lot of definition, the original mould on the bay here, so we'll look at rectifying that for them. As you can see as well, a lot of cracking through the stonework here, so maybe have to do a bit of pinning here. All this loose flaky paint will all have to come off so we can do a good decoration to all of the stonework. Downstairs on the bay as well, still quite a lot of bad stonework to rectify. So as you can see, just show you downstairs on the bay here, very big gaps in between the brickwork and the stonework, so we've got a nice technique to tighten all that through, make that look really nice. On the stonework down here, lots of cracking all through the sills. Probably gonna have to restore this whole sill all the way through here. Got a lot of cracks all blown here, big chunks missing on the stonework, all blown all the way through here, so we'll have to probably restore all of that. All around the columns, you can see it's all badly been patched in the past in sand and cement, so see if the customer wants all this properly restored, restore all of that. Possibly changing the plinth as well, it's in bad condition, take this old plinth off, renew this whole plinth all the way through. So lots to be getting on with here on this project. We'll show you some updates in the next week or so once the lads have done some more work on this one. So if you'd like a free quotation or you've got any questions, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.